In this video, you will learn how to manage attributes, subjects, and content types in appypie Course Builder. Click Manage Attribute to set them up. Two tabs sit at the top, Subjects and Content Types. Together, they power the drop-downs you'll see every time you add an item to a course. Open the Subjects tab. Subjects are the topics your course covers, disciplines, or themes that group your content. Click Add New Subjects. Give your subject a clear name. Here, API Testing. Hit Save. Your subject lands in the list with two actions on its tile: a pencil to edit, a trash icon to delete. Click the pencil to rename. Update the name to API Testing and Automation, then Update. The trash icon removes a subject. appypie asks you to confirm first, because this can't be undone. To add another subject, click Add New Subjects again. Type its name, Prompt Engineering. Hit Save. Both subjects are now ready. Switch to Content Types. Click Add New Types. Content types describe how each item is delivered: a quiz, a video lecture, an article, whatever fits. Name it Quiz. Then click Save. Click the pencil to edit or the trash to delete. Rename Quiz to Quiz Assessment, then click Update. To add another type, click Add New Types again. Name it Video Lecture. And click Save. Your subjects and content types are ready. They show up as drop-downs when you add items to a course. Stay tuned for more.